Hi superstars! We all like to take a ride in the train. In this poem Train, we are going to sing about how the train sounds, where we can see the train, how the train looks. Do you remember the sound the train makes? Chuk, 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 chuk. Do you remember where you can see the train? You can see it in and out of the station. Do you remember how the train looks? Big black engine pulling bogies.
Chug, 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 comes the train into the station, out again, pulling bogies, whistling loud, big black engines looking proud.
Let us sing together again. Train.
Chug, 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 comes the train into the station, out again, pulling bogies, whistling loud, big black engines looking proud.
When singing a poem, you have to listen to rhyming words. Rhyming words in this poem are Train, train, Again, again, train, again, Loud, loud, Proud, loud, proud.